Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this short guide, you will learn how to set up your payouts so the money you earn from your sales lands safely in your own bank account. Let's get started. In your vendor menu, under Seller Tools, open Payouts. This is where you connect the bank account that Resogra sends your earnings to. This is your Payouts page. It shows whether your bank account is connected and lets you set it up in just a few clicks. Right now your status says not connected. That simply means you have not linked a bank account yet. Let's fix that. Here is how it works. To receive your earnings, you connect a bank account through Stripe, our secure payment partner. Resogra sends your share of each order after delivery is confirmed, and your bank details are kept safe by Stripe. Resogra never sees them. This line shows how your payout is worked out. For each order you receive the product total, minus a 5% Resogra commission, minus the cost of a shipping label if one was used. When you are ready, click Set Up Payouts. This opens Stripe's secure form, where you enter your bank details just once. After that, your payments arrive automatically. And that's it. You now know how to connect your bank account and get paid for your sales. Thanks for watching, and visit Resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.